We'll guide you through how to sync Dropbox on your Mac seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox website and make sure you've got the latest version downloaded. Once the application is installed, you can find it in your Applications folder. Drag it to your dock for easy access if you haven't done so yet. Now, open Dropbox and sign in with your account credentials. After logging in, you'll notice a Dropbox icon appearing in your menu bar. Click on this icon to access the Dropbox client. Go to your preferences by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the bottom left corner of the Dropbox app window, and select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Sync tab. Here, you can manage your selective sync settings. Selective sync lets you choose which folders are stored on your Mac and which are accessible only online. This is useful for saving space on your hard drive. Check or uncheck folders as needed. Once your preferences are set, click Update to confirm your choices. Dropbox will begin syncing your selected files and folders. You can monitor the progress by clicking on the Dropbox icon in your menu bar and looking at the status below. If it says Up to Date, your files are successfully synced. If you need to access Dropbox files directly from Finder, look for the Dropbox folder listed under Locations in Finder's sidebar. From here, you can manage your files just like any other folder on your Mac. Remember, changes made to files within this folder will automatically sync to Dropbox Online. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.